Namaste student, खुश रहो बिटिया. I JVN Dr. Neelam Chakravarti from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur, Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In today's sessions, we are going about discuss the Investors Relations Committee and insider trading. Now, let's start the topic. The Investors Relations Committee and corporate boards and members can play a significant role in the overseeing and monitoring their companies and investors and relations and program and its effectiveness and with the financial community. And to fulfill this rule, and CACI, originally California Analysis Center, an international, has established an investor relations committee and reporting to its board of directors. The committee has responsibility for oversight and monitoring of the company's IR programs and reporting on this virtual and activity to the CACI board. The primary purpose of the IRC is to oversee management and investor relations activities and investor relation related communications with existing, potential and former shareholders of original California Analysis Center, as well as members of the board and financial community. The Investors Relation Committee will assist the board of directors in fulfilling its oversight and responsibilities with the regard to shareholders and engagements with the board. Management is responsible for the day-to-day and implementations and executions of the company and investors relations and programs. The Investors Relation Committee is advisory in nature. In recommendations will be subject to normal approval process by both the CACI management and the board of directors. Now, let's discuss the investment community. The term investment community is used broadly to inside any community and with the responsibility for the management of the financial assets of a not-for-profit organizations. An investment community governs and oversees an investment plans or strategy. However, their influence and step beyond the retreatments and plan. For example, corporations may appoint a committee to oversee company investment. The members of an investment community can be drawn from the companies and board of directors, the community, and may work the companies and chief investment and officer to shape an investment policy. However, with qualified and persons plan and supposers and meta draft and characters and detailing community selections. If may address the numbers of people and who can serve on the community at any given time. Now let's discuss the board committee. Board committee appointed by the board focus on specific areas and take informed decisions and within the framework of delegated and authorities and make specific and recommendations to the board and matters in their areas or purview. All decisions and recommendations of the communities are placed before the board of informations are for approval to enable better the and more focused attractions and the affairs of the corporations. The board and delegated particular matter to the commits and of the board and set up of the purpose and committee review items in the great details and before it is the place and before the board for the concentrations. Now let's discuss the functions of committee of the board. The following are some important committee of the board: audit committee, shareholders grievance committee and risk committee, remunerations committee, nomination committee, corporate governance committee and corporate compliance committee, and next ethics committee. Now let's discuss the insiders trading. Now let's discuss the insider trading. Insider trading is the trading of a public companies and stock of other securities such as board or stock operations and based on materials non-public information about the company and in various countries and some kinds of trading based on insider informations. And definition of the insider trading. Insider trading is defined as the practice and wherein the trade of companies and securities is the undertaken by people who by and virtue of their work have access to the otherwise non-public informations and which can be circle of for making investment decisions, now depreciations, and where the key employees or who have access to the statistic and informations and about the company use the sum of trading in the company and stock or securities, and it is called insider trading and highly discouraged by the Securities and Exchange Board of India to promote fair and trading in the market for the benefit of the common in visitors. Now let's the rating agencies and corporate governance. In this regard, regarded. Rating agencies also provide an corporate governance rating for companies. Corporate governance rating is an opinion on relevant and standing of an entity with regard to adoptions of corporate governance practice. Next, and credit rating agencies corporate governance. Some of the important and credit rating agencies in India are Credit Rating Information Services of India and Limited, Investment Informations and Credit Rating Agencies of India, and Credit Agencies and Research Limited. And next, Credit Rating India Private Limited. Thank you. This sessions is powered by the Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss the problem in the problem solving. Thank you.